Hey there, I'm going to show you how to use Google AI Nano Banana free. This is no code tutorial. Here, watch to the end because I'm going to show you everything you need to know on how to use Google Nano AI. Because here I'm going to show you how to use Google Nano Banana AI for free. Now here first, how to find it 100% free. Now here to find it 100% free, there is two ways to find it. Here, make sure you download Gemini app here like this. You can see my Gemini now. Click on it here. Now here you can see the picture I just generated using the Google Nano Banana AI. Here you see it. Now here, what is Nano Banana AI? Nano Banana AI is the official nickname for Gemini 2.5 Flash image, an advanced AI image generator and editing tool device developed by Google. The name Nano Banana originates as a code name used during its pre-release testing on the LM platform. Because of its consistency, integrity, editing, viral appeal, and accessibility. Now here, to find it in Gemini, what you do now is to click on this icon here. Now here you can see create an image. You can see banana icon on the side here. Now click on it like this. Now you have started using the Nano Banana. Here you can see, now you can write any prompt you want it to generate and then click on send. It will generate it automatically. As you can see here, I just generated an image using it. You can see here. Now another way to find it is by opening your search engine like this. Here I'm using Chrome like this, and here type on your search bar like this and type this. Let me type it. You can see it here, https://aistudio.google.com. Now here what you do now is to send it like this. Now here you can see we are in. Now here you can see the new features. Now here on the what is the new features. Now here you can see try Nano Banana. You can see it here. Now click on it like this. Now you can see you have started using Nano Banana. Now here, type anything you want to generate like this. Type it here and then generate it automatically. Now here the second one is testing it. Here I will test it on Gemini and then test it on Google AI Studio. Now here, let me go to Gemini like this. Now here I will type on prompt and then use it for image editing like this. Here, let me type the prompt. Now here you can see the prompt. Now here you can see the prompt I type here. Now here I ask you to generate a hyper-realistic cinematic editorial studio portrait of the uploaded. Now here let me upload the image it will use to generate. This is based on image editing. Now here let me upload the image like this. Now click on gallery. Now here you can slide down to find the image or click on collection to go to the folder here. Now here open the folder where you save the image. Now here click on the image you want to use. Now here click on done. As you can see, the image is uploading. Now here send it like this by clicking on this icon here. Wait for it. As you can see, it is generating it. Now as you can see, it has generated. You see it here. You can also download it by clicking on this icon on the top side here and download it here. Now let's test the Google AI Studio. Here, go to the Google AI Studio. Now here you can see Nano Banana. Now click on it like this. Now let's try image editing again and know if it is the same thing or the same Nano Banana feature here. Now here, let's upload the image first like this by clicking on this plus icon. Now click on upload files here. Now go to where you save the image like this. Now open the folder you save the image. Now here click on image you want to use here. Now here enter the prompt like this. Let's know if it's still Banana AI. Now as you can see, I've entered the prompt here. Now let's edit this image by clicking this send icon here. As you can see, it is editing it. As you can see, it have edited. Let's check it. Now you see it is still the same Banana AI. You can see the logo here. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Make sure you update your Gemini application. See you on the next video. Peace.